Hello my crafty friends, it's Arva. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to show what I received back from Becky Baker from the bow swap that we participated in with the Facebook group Happy Meal Swappers. I will leave a link to Becky's YouTube channel and to the Facebook group for anyone that may want to join us. So this was packaged in a clear bag. I just took it out of the bag to save some time on the video, but I have not looked at anything other than these beautiful Prima clothespins that she sent. And these pretty pastel colors. And there's 8. I can definitely use those. Then we have here, oh, this cute card. I love this envelope. This cute bow. It says sweet. Oh, look how pretty. I think this is one of the My Creative Time bows that I've been trying my hardest to get. Right. She is Becky Baker on YouTube. On IG, she is B Baker Craft Maker. Arva, thanks for swapping bows with me. I hope you like what I created, Becky. I'm sure I will, Becky. All right. And she's got this cute little book style here. So, tied with some ribbon. How cute with the sunflower in the mason jar. That is adorable. And let me just remind you, we were supposed to create 5 sets of bows, 3 in each set. So, oh, and she's got some diamond dots here. Very cute. I like that paper. Ooh, look. She has some crepe paper bows here in white. Those are really pretty. And on this side, she has these pretty tulle shaker bows. Brittanee just did a tutorial for us in the Facebook group, but she also has one on her YouTube channel. I will leave a link. I don't know if that's who, I know Becky's in our Crafty Peeps, but I don't know if that's whose tutorial she followed, but I will leave a link to Brittanee's in case anybody wants to learn how to make those. She's great at tutorials. This is like a file folder. It's so cute with the tabs. Then we have these cute ribbon bows, and they're double looped. Oh, look at these. Those are really pretty. Look at the iridescent. Those are beautiful. Beautiful. And then we have some really pretty yellow tulle bows. These are gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then we have another set of white crepe paper bows. Very, very, very pretty. I've never thought to make bows out of crepe paper. I'm going to have to try this out. I hope Becky has a tutorial on her channel, because Lord knows I'll mess it up. I'll go through a whole roll of crepe paper, y'all, trying to figure out how to do that bow. I'm just kidding. But I will try it out because I think these are really pretty. Thank you so much, Becky. I really appreciate it, and I'm so glad that we were able to swap again. All right, that's it for today, guys. Have a blessed day. Bye.